Assalamu alaikum everyone. On behalf of the Medical Affairs Department AGP, we welcome you all to the Product Pocket Info Training session. I am Dr. Saad Mustafa Shamsi, Senior Manager Medical Training, and with me is Dr. Syed Qasim Sibghat, Senior Manager Business Development. Okay, we start the session. Anafortin plus injection. Composition. Anafortin plus injection 4 ml contains hydrated fluoroglucinol 40 mg and trimethyl fluoroglucinol 0.04 mg. Therapeutic class antispasmodic. The term antispasmodic, these are the substances which are used to relieve or lower the incidence of muscle spasm, especially in the smooth muscle cells such as the bowel wall. Mode of action. Anafortin is a myotropic spasmolytic effect on smooth muscle tissues in gastrointestinal and urogenital pathways, decreases spasm and relieves pain. Myotropic, affecting the muscles, and spasm is a sudden involuntary contraction of the muscles, especially the smooth muscles. Anafortin plus inhibits the enzyme phosphodiesterase, thereby increasing the intracellular CAMP, that is the cyclic adenosine monophosphate, and decreasing intracellular calcium ions, thus causing smooth muscle relaxation. CMP, the cyclic adenosine monophosphate, is the second messenger which is present in the cell and performs many biological functions of the cell. Peak plasma concentration is attained in 15 to 20 minutes. Peak plasma concentration refers to the maximum concentration of the drug in the blood. Half-life 45 minutes. Onset of action for intravenous is 10 to 15 minutes, and when administered intramuscularly is 15 to 30 minutes. Duration of action when administered intravenous 6 to 7 hours, and for the intramuscular administration is 7 to 8 hours. Indications: acute abdominal pain, gastrointestinal colic. Colic. The term colic is used to define the spasm of the hollow organs of the body, like gallbladder, ureters, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Spasm associated with diarrhea, dysentery, and IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is a commonly occurring condition of the intestine causing crampy pain, gasiness, bloating, and alteration of the bowel habits. For cervical dilatation, cervix. Cervix is the outer part of the uterus that connects uterus with the vagina. Renal and biliary colic. Renal refers to the kidneys and biliary refers to the gallbladder. Dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea is defined as the painful menstrual bleeding hampering the daily activities. Dosage: 1 to 3 ampoules administered intramuscular or intravenous daily into divided doses. If needed, second injection of Anafortin plus can be given after the administration of first injection, that is after the administration of 45 minutes of the first injection. And for cervical dilatation, one injection is given when cervix is 4 cm dilated and can be repeated after 45 minutes. A maximum of 3 ampoules can be used. Pregnancy and lactation. Anafortin plus injection can be used during pregnancy only if necessary. Its use should be avoided while breastfeeding. USPs. Anafortin plus is an effective myotropic antispasmodic that ensures relief from spasm by acting on contracted smooth muscles. Anafortin plus, the reliable one with high quality. Anafortin plus is fast and reliable antispasmodic. Anafortin Plus is free from anticholinergic side effects. Anticholinergic, these are the substances or the drugs which inhibit the action of acetylcholine on the peripheral and the central nervous system. What is acetylcholine? Acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter. Anafortin Plus effectively improves cervical dilatation during labor, and it is well tolerated by both the mother and the newborn. Let's have a look at the competitors of anafortin injection. NoSPA. NoSPA contains a different salt, that is the trotavirine, and NoSPA is a product of the Aventis Pharma. Spasfone injection with the same composition from Hymount, Spatix injection from Tabros, Spasret injection by Barrett Hodgson, and Spasmex injection by Angelini. Thank you.